Hello everyone, welcome to Trends and Support. So last week we witnessed a slightly negative downside and there was a profit booking. It was almost the previous highs, that means the ATH, and we made a high around 25 26 105 range. And you can see the main issue is here is that it was forming like a, see here, this M pattern, that is like what to call is dragon pattern. That means if you reversal dragon pattern, sorry, if you make a new highs and if it's forming a double top in the high here, so that means if a market is at high and if you see a stocks or index making a double top on the high, so that is also a negative for as per the technical, that is almost called as a inverted dragon pattern. See here, this is the formation here, and double top formed here and selling pressure also here, so that's a negative sign. And here you can see this line is acting as a rising channel. You see here it formed and here it's ending, taking support. It should have to take support here, that's around the support now around 25 695 range. So that's why in the live market last day Friday I mentioned that the market is going towards 25 695 range. And see, if we not hold this one sorry, then we will have a downside fall towards the other support. So I will make this chart into 4 hour chart, then you will get a clear picture. So I'm removing this line, and now we move to 4 hour chart. So this is the 4 hour chart, and you can see we made a W pattern here and we got a breakout here, this range here, around this range, and we made a high there, this range. And we were expecting what to call a resistance or target around 26 120 range. So we almost met the target. Now see here, this so I'll take out some of the line, then you will get a proper idea. Here that means, see this one, so this is like a cup and handle pattern here, this one. So we got a breakout in this line, so that will come around here, that means around 25 675 range here. So this should have to hold in the closing basis. If any dip 20 to 30 points downside or somewhere else down, I will mention the other supports downside. We have to protect this one for we need to be close above this line, otherwise market will be more pain. So if we close above, then we will have an upside moment from here. So otherwise we will have a downside moment. So this is the very important 25 675 range. If we will not hold this one, well, then we can check what will be our next targets. That is around then next target will be here, sorry, one more target is here. That means not target, it's a support. Here it's coming around 25 600 range. That is the next target or the downside support. And we will have a small support around 25 580 range. So this will come this way, it will come this way, that means around 25 580 range, 75 to 580 range. So 25 675 below 25 600 and 25 580 575. If we will not hold this one again, then we have a 4 hour support line is here. If you interconnect this range and here, and this is touching here also, so 1 2 3 4 5 interconnections, then this support mostly will hold a little more stronger one. That means around 25 503 range, 500 to 503 range. So this should have to hold for a strong support. So we need to hold this one for the next bounce back. Otherwise we market will mostly touch the target here, that means the previous breakout, that means 25 11 25 415 sorry, yeah, here 4152, this will go to touch the year, that means 25 375 range. So the targets downside is 25 375 to and 25 412 415 range. Then the higher side is 25,000 and 25 575 to 580, then 25 600 range, and the above the strong support is 25 675 in closing basis, and above this one 25 6 90 95 range. And the upper side resistance still, this is holding as a resistance, that is around if you change in 1 hour you will get a proper idea. This, see this, this is the M pattern here making. So we got a breakdown here, that is around, it's coming around here. This is the reason you see this line. So this is the reason you see market fell below, and it was taking this resistance here around 25,815 range. So this will act as a resistance in the coming days, and here, that is up to here 820 range. So if any bounce back here this range, then it can move towards this 25,815 to 820 range. And above this one we will have the previous resistance around 25 935 to 940 range. So these are the levels for the incoming days. So we go to check the bank nifty. This is little more wide video, like because I'm explaining in using this all 1 hour and 4 hour range, so little more long video, sorry for that. So we go to check bank nifty now. So bank nifty also same, I already mentioned we got a breakdown this line, that is also very negative for as per the trend line. So because I already explained, this is the rising channel, this one is the rising channel, and we are making higher low, and we got a breakdown here. So there is a slightly sideways movement this range, and the sell off pressure also you can see from this range, that means around 58 250 to 260 range, and we made a high same that one, and explain this 57 940 range as a support, and below that one around 57 670 range. So 660 to 670 range, we met all these targets in the last day, and we made a like the same this type of M pattern here. If you go to check in 4 hour, so this one this is the breakout line in the 4 hour chart. So that one is coming here, that is around this range. So 57 640 to 650 range is the support coming, and if we got any bounce back, then this can move this way, that means around 58 280 to 300 range. If any bounce back, it can form like a W pattern this way. So if we not hold this one, that is 57 640, then we will have a downside movement 57 500 range, and downside. So it can move towards this way, that is this can move towards 1 minute this range around 57 200 to 180 range. And so these are the levels for bank nifty for Monday and we go, if we got a breakout above this, then only we will have upper side movement, and we need to hold this 57,640 range for a bounce back also. So hope you get a brief idea about Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and levels. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can share this video to your friends, and it may helpful to them to trade. You can trade using these levels. Once you got a breakdown, that means the support broken, you can short or buy PE as per the levels, and you can keep the upper side level resistance as a stop loss. And you can if you are getting near the strong support, you can do a buy of call options for a higher side. So thank you for watching this video. Closing the